NILIT Aizawl, which was established in the year 2001, has now been upgraded with new infrastructure with addition of new academic block, hostels adjoining to the existing campus. These new facilities will further accelerate the skilling and enrich the learning experience of local youths, especially through the courses like BCA, MCA, MSc IT, Diploma Engineering and various short-term courses. Now, the upgraded center is equipped for incubation and innovations apart from providing quality education and training in the direction to develop self-reliant, digitally empowered society. In Mizoram, one more new campus of NILIT at Lunglei is going to be inaugurated soon.
So now let's have a briefing about NILIT Aizawl by the center head.
At the outset, I would like to express my sincere thanks to the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, for providing this opportunity to upgrade its existing infrastructure. A total of 46,000 students were trained since inception. A total budget outlay of Rs 21.94 crores were provided by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India, for the construction of this new academic building, which is there adjacent to the existing campus. The building has a built-up area of 2,300 square meters, which was constructed in the lane provided by the Government of Mizoram. The building consists of 5 floors, 3 large and 2 small computer laboratories, 13 classrooms, 1 server room, boys and girls common room, solar backup, state-of-the-art firefighting equipments and library. The activities they are being planned to be constructed in the new building are: 1. Setting up of online and offline exam center. 2. Introduction of MSc IT and electronics course. Number 3. Setting up of robotics and AI laboratories. Already we have expertise in cybersecurity and cyber forensic, then repair and maintenance of electromedical equipments and repair and maintenance of mobile phone. Our new target is to become a center of excellence in artificial intelligence. Thank you.
Let's now have a video testimonial from the students of Aizawl Center.
NILIT Aizawl Center has been started to provide course on computer concept training program for the blind people in Mizoram since 2018. Several blind persons already benefited under this program. I am also a blind person who benefited such program. Therefore, I have encouraged many other blind people to apply CCC training program under NILIT Aizawl Center. I do sincerely hope that this program will pave the way of new development for the blind people in Mizoram in the field of computer technology.
I'm currently studying MCA at NILIT Aizawl. Being at NILIT has been a very wonderful experience. The college provides quality education along with facilities like free Wi-Fi, library, laboratory with all modern equipments. Faculties uses the latest technologies to teach us in digital classrooms. NILIT Aizawl also benefits the society by providing free tuition fees for ST and SC candidates.
May I now request our Honorable Union Minister of States to please inaugurate NILIT Aizawl by clicking on the device. This is the flag which has been